Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm happy to announce a new giveaway sponsored by Banggood in order to celebrate their 13th anniversary. But before showing you the prize and also tell you how to participate in the giveaway, first of all, I'm going to randomly select the winner of the Foxeer Mix 2 camera. In order to participate, all you have to do is to leave a comment on my giveaway video and also make sure to be subscribed to my channel. In order to select the winner, I'm going to use this YouTube random comment picker. The total number of participants is 339. Now I'm going to randomly select the winner and I'm also going to select another one. So in case the first winner is not going to show up, the runner-up is going to win the prize. The Foxeer Mix 2 camera is going to be directly sent by Banggood, and if you are the winner, all you have to do is to send me an email. I'm going to verify that you are who you claim you are, and then you're going to get your prize. So now, without further ado, let's select the winner. And the big winner who won the Foxeer Mix 2 camera is Vatos Gringos, who commented AI92. Okay, I'm going to verify that Vatos Gringos is subscribed to my channel. And there you go, Vatos Gringos is subscribed to my channel, so congratulations, you're the winner. But in case Vatos Gringos is not going to show up in the next 2 weeks, we need to select another winner. And the runner-up, who might win the Foxeer Mix 2 camera, is SteveFPV, who commented, "Thanks for the competition, I'd like to win as I'm currently building my first 5-inch quadcopter, so maybe this camera is going to help you." Let's make sure that Steve is subscribed to my channel as well. And he is. So Vatos Gringos is the winner and Steve FPV is the runner-up. So I request both of you to send me an email and I'm going to take care of the rest. Moving on to the new giveaway. And yes, you are correct. I'm not showing you the Happy Model Lava X for nothing. This is going to be your prize. And of course, you're going to get a new one, which is going to be directly sent by Banggood. In order to participate in the giveaway, you have to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, hit the notifications bell, so in case you are the winner, you're not going to miss out. And in addition, you need to watch the review of the Happy Model Lava X. In the flight footage, there are 4 digits that you will need to find, and then leave them in the comment to this video, and all the comments are going to be postponed for me to review them, so you're not just going to see the other person who commented the correct digits and then just copy. You have to watch the flight footage, it's a couple of minutes long, find the digits, which is pretty easy, and then just leave them in the comment down below this video. In addition, I'm going to put some links down below to Banggood's promotions for their 13th anniversary, so feel free to check them out. As always, I would like to thank all my subscribers for your continuous support and also Banggood for sponsoring this giveaway. I wish you all the best and good luck, and I will see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.